Hi there, this is YDCtv. It's Yvonne DeCellis. It's Wednesday, late afternoon, early evening almost. Actually, not evening yet. What am I saying? It would be darker out if it was evening now. I'm zooming in, or not zooming in, I'm just focusing in on the trees. Just because my friend Trudy recently said something that was very true. She mentioned something about how it seems odd that there's not more leaves changing colors right now. And like I said to you, Trudy, I'm not very perceptive. I didn't notice that because I do keep seeing coloring changes, but you're right, it's not as much as it should be. So it is kind of depressing, you're right, but I am going to keep making these videos as long as these leaves are still up here. So to all of you who are really sick and tired of my tree loving videos, I'm sorry guys, I'm doing this as long as I can. Anyway, that's it for now. I'm just trying to put a video up. Oh, also to let you know, I am going to put one up again for exercise soon, hopefully. I don't know which exercise I'm going to be doing next, but I'm trying to go with the easier ones until I get a new solution again. I have picked out what I'm going to get now. I just have to wait to have the money to get it. So something will be going up soon, hopefully in the next few days. I will let you know soon. You'll see something soon. Anyway, thanks again, as always, for coming to visit this channel. And please leave a comment or a remark or something just to let me know you've been here. And let me know if you have any requests. Namaste, peace and light. And thanks again for coming. Take care. Ciao. Peace and light.